To the southeast, southeast side. Look at the southeast. Legit nothing. Go there.
Position check.
Okay, we
I'm
got
gonna send to you.
People north. It's people are gonna be shifting around.
Kibu, Kibu.
Everyone at base camp, fire our yellow flag.
I'm
Can I
just
get
gonna.
two? Hey, can I get two DS members? Who are those two people on top of this thing right here?
We can.
Who is this?
Okay.
Ballistics.
I'm
Ballistics.
gonna stay here too.
Kruger, over here north side. I need you guys there. We have no one.
Okay, listen, if this is a Hardened Titan RS, I want you to blind it, alright? That's all you have to do. Blind it and let me get. I'm gonna do
Made it away. Made it away.
Hardened Titans are all of those.
Oh,
Kira, don't blow yourself up, alright? I know you're afraid.
And don't accidentally miss it and then stick it in someone's ass. Okay, because that's the
Come
worst.
on, man. Stop quoting me on that. Come on.
Alright.
Wait, but where's
Alright,
Luger?
alright. No, let me start reading my phone. I'll be back.
Warwick. Oh, for Warwick.
Oh, shit.
There's luck already. There. I told you there's people that are trying to join. Just trying to join.
Hey, nice hammer, bro.
Okay.
66? That's it? Damn, listen people in.
Team party because we don't do boosts, please.
I was wondering why we don't have that.
It's.
Not that many.
Yeah, we only have 66. Holy shit. Yeah, same with Pickle. They're gonna send people in the main camp. Go at north. Yeah, we're gonna move on.
Also, okay, how many guys do we have? Oh no, we have shit lot. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you got main camp has the most. I think.
America we have like 50,000.
No, but seriously, main camp. If one of the FOVs are getting like fucked, like I wouldn't be surprised if the character got hit even worse than the Pickle.
Mhm. Yo, don't let them.
How did Burger has hit the most? Because it's the one farthest out of kind of character.
And yeah, and it's directly coming from the next map, so it's most likely to make more of the worst sense.
Guys in the mine cab, protect the supplies. We just have one cylinder. If we lost it, we'll have.
I need to do something quickly. Do TP,
What?
fly. I mean, not.
I don't have more.
Come on,
I need
tell
you
me,
to
tell me.
Fly to Ravage.
Fly Ravage?
Okay, I got
Okay,
it.
alright, we're good. Thanks.
AS. Even those AS members that like never pull up to rarely pull up to training, make sure you don't engage too far out.
Please.
if you don't get forward, that's on you.
Yeah, wait. If I see you engaging far out, I will.
Yeah, please, Rashad. Kai, Rashad, I give you guys both permission to fly around the camp to switch to different sides to kill Titans, okay?
I was a retard. I just want everyone to know
So
that.
like start here, and then if you need to just switch around.
Yeah, here we go, boys. Tim, do you want to talk or something?
Oh, by the way, make sure you always mention.
Let's
Start
go.
recording.
Oh, Tim already talked. Alright. Oh, it started.
Padre nuestro que estás en los cielos, santificado sea tu nombre.
Keep your blaze in when you're not engaging.
Oh my god.
Oh, SM is also.
I'll first.
I don't want. Who the fuck are you?
Get out of the middle.
Northwest,
Oh,
northwest.
Don't engage those. Just blind and kill or kill it, or bait it. Oh shit.
Right here.
Oh, that was close. Blind and kill.
Southeast side.
Caller. Watch out. They're blind. Good blind. Watch the other area. Good kills.
I'm going.
Oh, they're spawning extremely close to us. Inside the F.
Not ready.
I got that one. I got it.
Heavy fighting reported.
Go. East side. I'm gonna blind that abnormal.
Oh, recruit, stop pussing out. Let's go. Someone blind that abnormal that's coming.
I got it.
I
I got a crawler coming.
Oh,
There's two.
blinded.
Blind that one. Blind it.
Hey, get this crawler.
nice. Kill them quickly.
Oh my god.
Martin, tell me if you guys need some people over
No,
there.
we good.
Hey, get that.
Nice. We're doing fine.
Oh, the caller.
Hey, keep
Oh,
moving.
sorry.
Only come inside main base camp if you need a refill.
I think they still get glitched.
I got the color. I got it. Oh my
North
God.
at Kibu.
Oh, they got new animations.
No. Kill those Milos.
Oh my god.
Good blind.
What the hell with the Milos is flying? I got the Milos.
Good
Oh,
kill,
shit, no.
good kill.
Nice.
Blaze in if you're not engaging, seriously.
Fucking communication guy.
Yeah, just blind. It's not that difficult.
Alright, don't engage that. That's far out.
Milos, southeast.
What is that?
Why are you
like that?
Watch out. Alright, RS, bait that. Move this RS. Good blind roll, by the way. Good shit, Amber.
One is in the middle of the FOB, guys.
Are they spawning a lot at main camp?
Kinda like force, you know.
Yeah, in
I'm trying to make this baited ones.
I'm not spawning that much in Cardix FOB. We can handle alone.
same with
If you
Kib.
want, we
Same
can.
with Kib. We're spawning like a couple mindless every something.
That's
I mean, if
abnormals.
you guys need more help at
Main camp is kinda.
Don't
good.
engage the main list.
I'm not
Don't
gonna
engage the
lie.
main list.
don't engage those. Don't engage those.
Oh no, you're good.
Jesus
I'm
Christ.
not engaging that. Who the hell is engaging that?
Okay.
He's got bait on the way. You guys have bait on the way.
Roland, guys, come back. That is too far out. It's a fucking mindless. It's not that.
The one I almost got.
Bait them away, come on.
Bait. Hey,
I almost did-
Titans,
I almost did
southwest.
that one.
Don't worry about
Yo.
that. That's really
North,
far out.
north.
If I see you
West.
engaging, I'm coming to kill you.
Northwest.
West side, west.
Kai. Come here. We'll get that one together.
Okay, this way.
I'll cover you.
Got it.
Okay, good shit.
I teared that one. Don't
Hey,
do it.
Titans.
North.
And they're putting it
Watch
tight.
out. Don't engage that. Don't engage. Blinding kill.
Alright.
If you want. Go ahead. Engage it now.
I'm trying to bait them, but
Come back. West side of the camp is under attack.
Yeah, that's us.
yeah, I told you.
Everyone's pushing out, great. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, what the heck?
You look like a good leader here.
I got grab and I set myself at the same
We-
time.
West. West
Yeah,
side.
it's a fucking good.
West side.
What the
North
fuck?
side.
I cleared, kind of cleared.
Hey, don't engage this, Roland. These are two clumps.
Okay, kills them.
Go ahead. Go around and kill it.
Okay, everything's fine. How many kids do I have?
Okay, we're good now. Alright, good.
Two crawlers got. Wait, something
Don't
weird.
let that happen again.
We're not spawning. We're not.
No, senor. It's not. No.
Frick, it was that classic meet me.
Me.
Oh shit, that shit was.
Now we're gonna lose by your fault. Last time I did me.
Please don't engage that far out.
Come on, guys, it's not difficult to blind us.
Don't engage that far out.
Don't engage the main list.
Evading your ass out there. Who's that? Stop going. Stop. Who is that? Kai, you saw that. Kai, if he gets grabbed, don't save him. Alright.
Oh, he's right there. Okay, stop it right there. What happened?
Hey, abnormal coming in. Stop. Rook, Kai, get ready. Come this way.
This town's bombarding us, alright?
I will let you guys in.
Oh shit, Kai, go east. It seems there's no more Titan threats from the north. The camp has a chance.
Okay, don't. Okay, it's fine. Okay, west side.
Watch out.
Come on, guys, you look like fucking Thor. You look.
Okay, I'm engaging this force.
Good shit. Hey, get back to camp though.
Okay,
They've
north.
been lured to the FOB. Alright,
Right.
let's go, guys. Hey, practical, it's working. You were right. Oh, wait,
Almost
shit.
got that. Nice.
Expect more Titan.
Oh my god. It's you.
The guy who died, I will probably get to void it.
All is coming in, blind.
Yeah, sorry.
Hey,
Somebody's
get
waiting.
the backside. Get the backside. East.
Backside caller, get ready.
Go back there. Get back there.
North side crawlers.
There you go, man. I saved
What?
you. You good, wait? Wait, you good?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Who did that? Who is this? Is this?
Blind this fucking crawler.
Wait, don't try to kill.
It's too abnormal.
Bait them away for now while we clear out the miners. Guys, clear
Bait him
out
away. Bait him away. Good job.
Okay,
Bait him away. Bait him.
Don't engage these yet. Who is that engaging? If he dies, let him die.
Whoa.
Who the fuck is that
What the
engaging?
fuck is that?
Get his user. I'll get him angry. That is fucking dumb.
It's okay.
Blind abnormal, blind him.
Good blind. Who is that? That was you.
that was me.
The main camp has been.
Oh, it was like.
Clarify it, let them clarify it first, and then we'll... What?
This is the period with more.
What does XXB mean?
25. It means 25.
Oh, 25%. Okay.
This
I'm
is
getting
right
laggy.
click. Keep anything.
Yeah, there is guys in the middle.
Okay, there's my list. We'll do.
Because of that dumbass glitch.
I know, right?
Careful.
Okay, I'm gonna kill this one. Going for this one.
Watch out! Don't engage this yet.
Blind and
Oh
north.
my god.
Blind north.
Oh, no, fuck this.
Blind
I'm
north.
engaged.
Don't engage.
Engage. Why are you guys letting them get close to this place? Engage.
West side abnormals.
I got grab and I blinded at the two pound again.
We're not almost fucking died. Hey, don't engage this mindless. Just watch out. Oh shit, I
Who
messed
is
up.
engaging too far out?
Okay.
Guys, get back. Reform. Who's that guy? Hey, hey, remember, Black Flare if there's an assassin.
Black flare is abnormal on colors.
North and west.
I know, but someone's firing crazy on the fucking purple.
There's a nord at
Don't engage
east.
that far out.
My list.
Watch out.
Blind and kill, let's go.
My list.
Hey,
South
don't
side,
engage that,
south
don't
side.
engage that. Everyone, get ready. Full engage these abs. Go.
I got grabbed and saved myself at the same time.
I know, right?
Oh, fuck these new
South side,
died.
south side, south side.
Yo, that shit happened like 3 times.
Oh, get these crawlers. Blind them. Everyone, engage. Good engage.
Guys,
Okay, guys. Guys, what the fuck are you doing? Take the signs away.
Take these signs away, don't let them get the gas.
They got all the. Oh, I know, Akira, bro. I swear, I fucking.
Yo,
these
this
things
freaking
are
Titan.
Their hands.
I know.
They're so much easier to like get.
Mindless, don't engage the mindless. Don't engage the mindless.
Come back, or whoever that is. Get back. Just chill. We're just fucking
Nice. Okay,
Hard
I don't know.
and
Oh,
uh,
oh my god.
fly out there. Are those?
Blind and
Akira,
after.
watch your ass. I'm watching.
I'm normals.
Alright,
East,
get back,
east,
get back,
east.
get back. Who are those people out there? No. I never said engage. Get back. Akira's just checking. I just had to make sure she was safe. Kill this. Good kill.
Goes to my list.
Don't engage these. Don't worry about this.
It's not hard.
You, who is this? Poke.
I got
Blind him,
oh,
blind him,
shit,
blind
I
him.
got
Poke, come blind him, come blind him. Good kill. Get back. Don't go anymore. Hey, Poke, good shit. I'm talking. Alright, where's Poke? Who's this? Poke, get ready.
Nice, on left.
Axel, if you don't stop fucking engaging so far out.
Oh, what? Yo.
I'm normals south side.
Where's Poke? Poke, come here. And you're gonna get
Blind and kill.
Poke blinded, go.
Blind and kill.
I am engaging actually. I'm gonna engage that.
Yo, guys, I almost died twice.
I'm normals northwest. Northwest.
I've almost. Bro,
Don't be there on the other direction. Okay?
they're trying to kill me.
Come on.
They're spawning behind me.
I made.
Yo, these 3 mindless.
Watch. Don't engage these yet. Don't engage. Watch. Blind
Oops.
kill. Remember, whoever's baiting this shit. Engage these.
Blind and kill.
I almost got 2 kills, for fuck's sake. Went 1. So wait.
Hey, good shit.
Are you okay, Akira?
Everyone watch out. They're coming from west.
Yep. Continue.
No, she's okay.
On top of the, yeah, those
Don't
2.
you have one pair of blades to use and then it's stunning spears after that?
Well,
Don't engage.
Titans as west, don't engage.
Get back. Hey, someone get that crawler on that hill. Not yet though. Not yet. Give it a second. Don't engage these. They're not too close enough.
Okay, blind Zamonors. Blind.
Good blind.
Zamonors. Okay,
Hey,
kill.
get ready. Hey, blind these abs that are coming. The mindless, you can easily kill them. Blind these.
Oh my god.
I got it.
There's a little clump right here.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
Good kills. Really good. That's perfect.
Yo, no.
That's what I want to see. Some smart ass kills right there.
What the fuck was that? No.
Remember, blind kills.
Oh, it just happened again. I killed a Titan and it grabbed me.
Oh, that's a badass.
No, it's
There's a
crazy for no reason.
There's
that
a
shit
glitch worse than that. There's a glitch worse than that. Hey, who's this right here? Who's this?
South side.
Alright, remember, bait it or blind it. Help?
Where is it?
Like, how bad? You back?
Where?
Keep it blind.
Rashad. Kai, go. Head to the FOB. Head to the character. Go. Never mind. You don't need it?
You okay?
Alright, come back. Rashad, character.
West side.
Go.
West and north side.
Don't engage these. Watch out. Just bait them away. Alright.
Oh my god. This is going bad.
Good baiting, RS.
Oh my god, this one is terrifying, dude.
RS, bait those, bait those.
That one is intelligent.
Hey, someone blind us, someone blind us.
Are you serious? Does that not count?
East side.
Oh, these comments are retarded.
Alright.
Blind it again.
Good shit. Blind every single abnormal, even mindless. I don't care. Blind abnormal.
Oh my god, no.
I did kill him, guys, but we should do FOB.
Yo!
What happened, Martin? They spawned a
Yo,
huge
what
border
the
on you guys?
fuck was that?
We got C spawning.
Yeah, I know, same here, but I'm saying, like, they spawned a huge border on you guys. Hey, get ready for this. RS, go bait these so that they don't get clumped
Yeah.
up. They're all coming at the same time.
What do you mean? They don't bait the crawlers. They
RS, bait that. Good shit, RS. Hey, AS.
blind those crawlers. Blind those crawlers.
They're open, kill them.
I said blind those crawlers.
Hey, get this, get this.
I see one guy who is.
Hey, whoever that RS member is baiting, good shit. Hey, get ready to take care of these mindless. There's a lot coming. RS, good baiting. AS, go help that RS member.
Blind it, someone. I need someone to blind it. I can't blind it.
Oh. Hey, get ready to engage this
I
clump.
got it.
Okay, those abnormals are
Engage
clumped.
this clump, engage this clump. I need AS members. Yeah, go ahead, you can engage this.
East south side, south side, south side.
No, what the count?
Rick.
God damn it.
Don't-
There's it. There's it. There's
Come on,
it.
guys, you guys gotta be better on that engagement. I just killed them both.
Yo! West.
Okay, someone got killed.
RS, good shit at the Kibu after this. Get the bait on you. Don't engage this. RS, get ready to bait.
I'm looking out there.
You're Levi, man. Okay, blind.
They're spawning in waves. They're spawning in waves. They're spawning in
West side, west side.
50%. Hey, get this.
We're freaking
Good
good.
shit. Hey, good baiting whoever's out there. But get the fuck out. They're like clumping together. So you're gonna get killed.
Who the fuck is the enemy?
AS, get ready. Full engage this little
West side.
board right here. Whoever that is, get out of there. Get out of there. Good baiting, but you're gonna get killed. Get out of there.
Todavía no.
You died?
You died? Shit.
Fuck, before I cut you.
It's voided? You sure?
I'm not sure.
Stand.
Okay, RS come back. Whoever is baiting, come back.
Thank God.
Who died? Martin died. Ooh, the outer FOB. Yo, Ravage, can you send some people there?
Hey, we're already getting overrun. I'm so.
Yo, we're
getting
shit.
We need like 90 seconds. I'm going to ask for luck.
Which SOS members over there at the carrot?
Yo, oh my god. These new titans abnormals. Oh shit.
The arm, that's
Oh
the
my
arm.
god.
Yeah.
What do we do? Do we send people
Bait
to
them
that?
away. Bait them away.
No,
yes,
bait them.
yes.
Try to
I know
bait
you
them.
guys are on spikes protecting, but get down. You're with AS now.
We're
Go,
not
I'm
taking, we're in cooking, dude.
No,
we can't go.
Kibu FOB.
Oh, okay.
Kibu FOB.
We can't.
Southwest,
Yo,
southwest.
Where's, Rashad Kai, come in the middle. Rashad Kai, come in the middle.
South.
Rashad Kai, where's Kai?
That abnormal.
Bait
who the
it.
fuck is baiting that abnormal?
Kill those crawlers. Kill them. I know.
Who's with that abnormal? Who's with that abnormal, dude?
Rashad Kai, come to the middle. I need to send you both. Alright, both you go. What's up?
Okay, blind these abnormals.
Alright, go to the FOB. Go. Both you. And I got out. Yeah, it's okay. It's a glitch. You get killed. I mean, you get grabbed. The worst glitch is like you get grabbed and you die, but you're not.
Finally.
Hey, you want that RS?
What? He's pointing on you?
Okay, whoever is baiting, come back.
Is after your head. Blinded. Good shit. They're mostly coming from here.
I just came off my break. Don't cut me off yet.
RS member, good job, but if that shit comes towards us, there's gonna be a lot of death.
Blind.
Somebody's baiting some titans over there in the hill.
Bro,
Okay, whoever is baiting at northwest, come back.
about to die?
someone over here is baiting 20 plus titans.
What the heck?
And they're all
Motherfucker.
abs and crawlers.
That guy needs a middle.
Okay.
You know what I mean, right?
Whoever is baiting, come back.
Everyone, I want you, that RS member, get ready. Oh shit, he's coming this way. Bring it this way. Everyone, get ready. Northwest. Get ready and engage that.
It is a routine.
Okay, who is baiting over there?
I'll come up there and like fight you right now.
I'll fight you right now.
Don't engage that. No. you're
Come
getting
back.
fucking
Beer, come back.
AS, remember that time like training does for okay, get ready, full engage this.
Oh my god, what is that?
Everyone. Full engage that, it's gonna destroy the FOB. Hurry up.
Dude, I'm engaging so many. What the heck?
Oh my god.
25%? Nice.
Fuck, I almost died. Good kill.
Oh my
Kill those,
god.
kill those,
Wait, I'm
kill those. They're
fucking...
in the FOB.
What the fuck is
Good
that?
shit, good shit. Another horde, another horde. Get ready.
Northwest, northwest.
Ah,
Alright, you could do it. That's exactly
Robert, what the fuck?
what, bro?
It was
Kill
not
that,
my
kill that.
fault. It was not
Good
my
kill,
fault.
whoever that is. Good shit.
Should be about guys.
Kill these mindless, kill these mindless.
We don't have gas. I repeat, we don't have gas. The
You guys
supply
don't
got
have
destroyed.
Defend
We
at
got
all
this-
costs. Fuck.
We got destroyed. Destroyed.
you see.
bro.
So Martin, you're getting voided, right?
Depends.
I don't know. The gas truck.
Go back in formation. Everyone, go back in formation. I'm not kidding.
To the end of the fight.
Guys, only refill if you need to. Only refill if you need to.
What
Get
the
away
heck?
from that Titan. There's a PS1.
Okay,
I'm
you almost killed me. Almost.
Yeah, I don't care.
Hey, get ready, kill these crawlers. Kill him, kill him, kill him. Holy fuck. Save that guy, save that guy. Good save, good save.
Okay, kill the Aurora.
Okay.
Okay, I'm normal at east.
Oh, I got flung!
I'm normal at east.
You got run?
No, I'm back. I got flung into the sky and hooked onto the thing. Get these abs, get these abs.
Blind and kill. Okay, okay, I'm taking charge of cables.
Tequila.
Okay, Kibu.
What? Did you say tequila?
Because I'm nervous.
Tequila or a killer?
Yes, I'm nervous. dude.
Okay, whoever died, shut up, please.
Tequila, get your Titan.
What's up, Akira? What's up?
Orangey died.
Call it.
Oh.
OMG died.
How?
Orangey died. Yeah.
And apparently it's not voidable.
Oh, we'll figure that out. Rabbit, we'll figure that out after. Figure that out.
Ravage,
Better be a boy, I swear to God.
People die all the time.
Ravage, you're killing people. Stop recruiting SOS.
Everything has been repaired.
Be a boy. Someone said they had a boy.
By the way, in Cardiff FOB.
Wait, Martin, so how'd you die? 'Cause we don't have any time.
Modern Alpha has been repaired.
Hold on, hold. Nice. In English, please.
Yeah, like you said like
What are those more than outfit?
50%. What?
Outer FOB.
Oh,
outer.
shit. That's carrots. We need to head there. We need to head there. Wild, get a couple people. Reg, get
What?
ready.
What?
Outer FOB. We lost it. No, it's lost.
Did you get wiped?
It's lost.
We need to
Lost.
go. We need to go. We need to go. We can save it. We still save it.
Okay, every RS come with me.
One the color. Nice.
No, not every RS. We need to keep RS here. They're really good at baiting. We need to keep them. Because then we'd have less AS numbers.
Are you serious?
Who's-
Carrick's
Roland,
FOB
Roland,
is
come
getting destroyed.
here. Roland, come here. Roland, come here. Practical, come here. We need you all. Come here.
Okay.
Reg,
My
go to
cheeks
Carrick.
are-
Go to Carrick. Go. Roland. Go. Practical. Go. Ballistic, go. Everyone else stay.
It wasn't working.
Someone died. Who is that? Recover the body. It's a DS member. Bob is dead.
What is it? Ah,
Bob is dead. Fuck.
I'm normal southwest.
Okay, Akira, if you can turn, Wild, take
Wait.
care of the Kibu FOB. I'm heading to Carrick.
Oh my god.
Okay. Kibu, I'm northwest.
Okay, good. I need to head to the Carrick FOB and take
Fuck
care.
him.
Keep engaging.
Yo, who said that?
No one's
That
at
hill.
Wild, start
What?
speaking. Start speaking. We need you.
Yeah, but stop crying in the VC. Okay, southwest.
Nigga, we're getting butt fucked.
Blind and kill southwest.
Aspect's gonna like eat our asses if you want to. Then you,
Okay, save it. Good save.
he's the one destroying the FOB.
Oh my god. Okay, good shit.
Dude.
Uh,
this is going
Okay, mindless. Don't target them.
Alright guys, it doesn't look like there's a lot of Titans, but I wouldn't think so. Watch out. Alright, outer FOBs. 36
Okay,
seconds.
engage the mindless. They are too
we're
close.
gonna repair this,
Holy
hopefully, so.
fuck, is there anyone alive at this FOB? I think everyone died.
Okay, good.
What the fuck, dude?
Kill the mindless at least.
I think everyone died.
Ravage.
Guys, get ready, north side, you toward, everyone, I went to the front, I'll engage with you, get ready. Blind and kill, Rashad. Is Kai still alive?
No, Kai died.
Blind and kill. You died?
Wait, what? I got mid? Oh, never mind.
Shit, everyone, what the hell would everyone...
Crawler at west. Crawlers at west. Blind and kill.
Engage these, engage.
Blind and kill.
Good kill, just keep moving. Crawler coming from the sky. Is that Jesus?
Got him. Go,
Kill it, it's a fast ass one.
Okay, abnormal at south. Abnormal at south.
Fuck.
I got it.
Ravage,
Dude, I got it.
if we want to save this FOB, we need people. Everyone died.
Keep
Everyone.
pushing.
We can repair one
Guys,
and
guys,
lose
blind,
one.
blind.
Calm down, calm down, calm down.
Yo, Lieutenant
FOB.
President speak. Kalik FOB is still good. It's still good, don't worry.
Nigga, there's 6 people here.
So you have no gas.
It's still good, but there's no one spawning there.
Yes, there is. I'm at Carrick FOB right now.
We don't have many titans.
Bro, there's 6 of us and there's like at least 12 of them. And they're all like the retarded admirals. Wait, Kai, you're dead?
Charge it up normal.
Okay, Kibo FOB is clear.
Hamid, what's up? Blaze in.
Got it? Got it?
I
Nice.
came from Kibu.
Okay,
Kibu.
Kibo mindless is. Let them approach. Let them approach. On the mindless at the spikes, you engage them.
Rabbit,
We
you
can
don't know what
play.
kind of sight this was. I walked in, I was expecting at least like a couple people here. There was nothing.
Okay, blind engage those
Hey,
mindless.
blind us.
Jesus
Who is this right here? Zayden, blind us. I got you.
Okay, engage the mindless at west.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. We don't have gas, we don't have gas.
Okay, good.
Yeah, we're all out of gas here.
Okay,
I'm about to
We
die.
got it now.
Get that collar.
mindless is at west. Don't engage them then.
You think
Don't engage them.
Don't engage me. Bro, that animation that way they like spin around in circles really almost brings you every single time.
I'm still asking myself who the fuck is in that hill?
Yo, if you guys come to the FOB, is there anyone SOS? No, everyone's dead. It's only reinforcements. Dude, this
Where's
is a fucking sight. The whole FOB's crashed, the walls are broken, everything.
Start engaging those mindless.
Rabbit, you saw this shit? It looks like fucking Utgard Castle after fucking someone raped it.
There's two more raping.
If you don't blind and kill, I'm going to
After
sweep.
grab this cock and
Okay.
stuff inside
I'm
that-
normal at east. I'm normal at east.
Hard to the east. I need someone to blind it.
If you guys died against minuses, you're fucking dead.
Oh,
Wow, man, thank you.
already started from dude. I got
Hey, I got
Okay,
you.
I'm normal
Bring it
enough.
closer,
I'm normal
Zayden,
enough.
bring it closer. I'd rather not have you die.
Oh my god.
Pardon me. But
Someone get ready to blind that.
Oh, I lose my host.
Where's the hard one, Tyler? Okay, let me see about this one.
east. I need to blind it quickly.
Oh, here is. There's one right here.
Someone blind it quickly.
Guys are coming from places. But they're
Where are you? Where you at?
You have gas here. Wait, no
Okay.
gas?
Alright, retreat to Kibble FOB. Retreat to Kibble FOB. Everyone, retreat to Kibble FOB. It's gone. There wasn't enough.
Everyone who is alive, come back to
Cross
Quiver.
the river. You can don't hook on the ground. You can hook on the hill though.
Engage the crawlers. Engage the crawlers.
Alright, we need. Camp has been repaired.
Engage the crawlers. I swear to God, engage those.
Theoretically, couldn't we all just go to F?
You have lost.
It's
You
it's
have
not
lost.
surprised we lost. There was. Dude,
It's okay.
that shit. That shit was a whole sight, Ravage. I walked in. I was like expecting people there.
Said it like 50 times now.
Ravage, I'm gonna like legit get the armor type on you and stuff.
I will take the responsibility when we have lost.
With two rebels. Can I choose
We
that?
have no gas.
You have no gas.
Okay,
We have
okay, stay near the center. Stay near the center. You need to protect FOB at all costs.
we are out of gas.
Once
Okay, retreat.
Oh wait, there's gas. Wait, what did that say?
Forts are coming that the outer one has been destroyed.
Oh, that's for like all the servers.
Yes, I know.
Oh shit, no.
Oh, what's up?
I said kid boots. I'll be honest. I said kid
Oh, we can't exactly just leave the camp, you know?
Eh?
Thanks for saving me. No problem, partner.
okay, I'm normal
Did
at
I actually save you,
abnormal
Rashad?
enough. Abnormal enough. Abnormal enough.
Rashad, was that you who got grabbed? I saved this little. Carrick was held. Yes. Hey, wait, keep defending. Why did we stop?
Okay, west.
Blind.
West
Cersei,
abnormal.
Cersei. Blind us.
But they're still spawning here. We can't go.
Okay, go kill this abnormal.
Kids, mind us.
Okay, abnormal at east.
Look,
And crawler.
we don't have.
East,
We
east,
got
east.
builder, go pair echo.
Wait.
Full engage.
What?
Yeah, just-
Why? You don't- you can't. Dude, there's no gas. Why would you need?
Oh yeah, they won't be able to.
Yeah.
Okay, once you don't have gas, you go back to the camp with your horse. I don't care.
Then we go back. And I was taking out these miners.
Wait.
I can't be answering like question of the day answers right now. Like, who the fuck is you need to retreat. Fuck no, we're not retreating.
Okay, everyone who doesn't have gas, you go with the horse.
No, we got some gas and blades. We got 472 blades remaining, and we got
No gas. Okay.
no gas remaining. But I
Okay. If you don't have gas left, you go back on horse at the camp.
everyone, come to me if you need refills, like bad. Like, let's say you're terrible. Like, you have to be below 25%. Oh, there's no one. Okay, we can still.
Okay. Abnormal that east.
Alright,
North.
abnormals are
North.
coming.
North. North.
Blind, though, seriously, guys, blind. They're falling asleep.
Can they please end this?
You think we could just?
No.
You think if we took everyone right now to care?
I would definitely. Dude, we're gonna.
Oh my god.
We're gonna repeat this. We don't have the.
Oh, get these. This FOB is really fucking weak.
Guys, spread around. You spread around. They're tired from. No, we're not fine. Shut up. Let's go.
Enter square.
Titan behavior has extremely.
I'm getting this.
Yeah, that shit is retarded. Research must be done.
Well, I didn't ask.
Akira,
Oh my god.
Easy kills, bro. Easy kills.
Well, that was
I
mine.
saved you. You didn't save me. You saved someone.
Wait, did you die, Amit?
I'm just saying good shit on like help.
What?
Amit, did you die?
25% gas, bro. We're screwed.
I'm at like 20.
You guys don't have gas at the.
No, we
There's
don't.
still Titan here. That's the issue.
I have like 15.
Where's the fucking most boost gas? Hey, you know, why don't we do this before the
Guys, spread around. If you have ODM with gas, spread around.
If you don't have gas left, take a horse and bait. Don't engage those mailises. Let them approach.
We should have asked for cards. Oh my lord. We should have asked for
We
cards.
should have asked for that.
Yes, actually yes.
One mistake on being I didn't ask for cards.
Stay in
Thing is,
positions.
the character Kobe still had gas. Guys, don't engage it. We're fucking running 600 yards away. If it gets closer, engage something. Family picture?
Oh, fuck this one, dude.
No, that's just gone.
That's just gone, dude.
No. We're still actually, no, we weren't. Like, Titans were getting in. We had 6 people there. And that was after all the deaths.
6 people.
Legit, if we took
Or,
it-
to be fair, it's the fault of our resources.
Okay, stop engaging those mailises. They are too far away.
Don't we usually have 80 scouts per PD?
Yeah, it's 80 scouts, but like, they just started launching so we can get. They're probably looking forward to us losing something.
Yeah.
Now, hey, on the plus side, we got another PD.
Oh, yeah. I like that a lot. I'm happy with that.
I'm gonna save you, kid, because you failed to kill it.
Shut up.
Like, come on, man. Anyone wanna go help that guy out?
Naru is alive. When the fuck did Naru get in this PG?
A legend hit it the minute and did it.
Naru is there? There's people at the queue at the
No, Naru is not here.
Naru's still alive.
Naru is not on the leaderboard.
Naru's not there.
No, it's not even.
A
Naru is not
different
here.
Naru. Oh,
Stop.
it's a different Naru. Guys, I'm sorry to say, but everyone at the other
Guys,
FOB.
let's go help this guy out in the mountain and kill his Titan. I'm pretty sure he's isolated.
Nah, he's okay, dude. He's been all the
What?
freaking PD.
Guys, I
No,
think
okay, let's go.
What? Oh my god.
Legend. He's in the mountain! Smart ass! Dude! Freaking smart ass!
Yeah, we're not killing that.
Okay, let's get freaking
As
smart.
see those couple RS members who were blind.
Explain later. Explain later.
Dude.
Those Titans had their fucking face.
I can call me TS. Alright, I'm gonna TS this thing.
Yo, is that metagame?
Oh,
Or low
rip.
failure?
Yo, rip.
He's
Wassad
baiting.
died.
Yo, he's baiting the type.
Wassad died.
Oh,
Bro,
shit.
I wasn't joking when everyone else died at that FOB.
Yo, is that low failure?
I'm not trying to screw those Titans, don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Back up, people.
Oh! Yo, RT's 2IC died.
Oh, Hanai died, yeah.
Bro,
What the fuck was that?
this shit is crazy.
Okay, everyone. We should retreat to camp.
No. Because we don't know. We need PP to end it over here at Q.
Mm,
Or else they're gonna take the advantage and
I know.
take us
Stay in formation. You need to continue your task.
I like this kid's attitude. Yo, you have some good attitude, bro. Alright, guys, we got more miners coming in. Let's take those.
I got it.
Okay, crawler.
What
There's
the
it.
hell?
Oh, there's another one coming. Oh,
Oh,
another
please
one.
kill that. I swear to God. guys, everyone, watch out. They're not spawning from west anymore. They're trying to sneak Titans into the open.
Damn, let's go.
Okay, if you don't touch gas, if
Don't
you
worry about those mine.
Let me see. 1, 2. Over there. No, just 2 Titans swimming. Against
Oh,
one.
Skelly, you survived.
Skills, right?
Yeah.
That-
Let's go.
Yeah.
He's saying yeah.
That's my lesbian.
I feel so horrible, bro. I feel bad. Everyone is dead.
Oh my god.
Hey, we got one FOB survivor from Carrick.
Wow, one.
Whoa, 1. Yay.
You said you can give gas below 20%. What? No, I can't give gas. I said who's died.
3 kills over there.
Get on a horse and retreat back to the main camp. You're gonna die.
Oh, I lagged. Whoa, that was some extreme lag.
I told you, sometimes it don't, like,
Is that Jesus? Yeah. I was like, shit, what the hell? It started flying, and then the thing was the sun was in the way, so it looked like something was coming out. Where's Kai? Rest in peace, that's all I have to say.
why he died?
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
Today's a sad day.
Today is a Saturday. Send flowers to his wife.
Too many cats.
They died for his country.
I swear to God, if Kai's dead, Kai might have actually died by a void or a mistake.
How to get Caucasian in 1 step?
Ravage, they really want to kill you.
minus is abnormal.
Oh shit, who's this guy?
But like, it like glitched because I hit the nade, but it
Stop
like
with that bullshit.
That shit happened to me when you said you were killing me.
Guys, don't engage with 2 people. Engage with 2 people on these dead things. I'm not trying to have any more of you die. Like you don't.
This
Oh, yes.
nice.
All right, everyone,
You-
return back to main camp. Return back to main camp.
This is legend my best team.
Shit, is fucking crazy. Is that a flash speed or a plan?
Plan PD.
Plan, right?
I was in both teams.
Oh my
So,
god, that death was bad.
I actually got 41 kills. My best scoring kills.
Dude, if it was fatter than fucking Lana Rhodes' ass, like, holy fuck.
fuck. That comment wasn't needed. On call.
Rip to everyone else. Hey, I just want to say rest in peace to everyone.
Rest in
We're all
peace.
in our hearts. So many AS members were lost. And RS and all them. Why am I going through the water? I have lost 2 rabbits. Is that? Yo, is this all that? Hey, Bert.
What?
I'm gonna go to the FOB, I'm gonna bring you. Okay?
Oh, okay.
That shit was a ghost town when I showed it. It was all, everything was to the ground. It was fucking rest in peace. Like, actually, rip to everyone that died. Like, there was some good ass fighters there.
I need gas. There's no gas. Which one is suspect? No, this is
This
next time.
Ravage, Bert, you guys had to engage quite a bit. I feel that.
Yo!
Were the recruits scared?
Yeah, kind of.
Everybody was. Okay. Well, what's up, dude? We lost gas. Yeah. Fuck's sake. Lord of Hardcore. Kira, you survived? Nice.
Yeah, Akira was a G, bro. She was over here, she was killing titans and everything, helping so much at the FOB. Look at this Bert.
Look
Fly
at
towards
what?
the FOB, and you're gonna see a fucking massacre.
Let's
This
see.
is, when I got there, imagine no one, like,
Dude,
like this
legend.
now.
Oh my fuck.
Look at this shit. There's no FOB.
Freaking scary, dude. What the heck? There's legend no FOB.
Yeah, I told you. It got raped. No, for when I got here, I walked up, it was like this, and you see me, I walked up, I got my reinforcements behind me, I was the first one here, it was like this, just no one. Everyone was dead.
fucking god.
Yeah, that's why I was like, this is surprising.
Whoa.
No, you know, no one was like outside, I was expecting them to line up outside, no, they were just all dead.
You took me back to Robert.
So basically, they abuse.
It was aspect.
theory of this, they will
Oh,
you
6
only
kills,
like
7 blinds. I mean, good job, bro. Just keep that up, bro. Oh, fuck. STS and my god. I lost my second best elite. That's crazy. Why am I getting beat?
Hey, who died? Gaming OMG, rest in peace. Collins message, rest in peace. Why are we bad, man?
We died 10 Martin, outside, Jaeger, and a point. Kurt died. Kai died.
Okay, that.
Reinforcements came quick right after.
I'm not gonna lie, dude. That shit for it. 19, we lost 19.
That was a fat ass. Do you remember how many STS mines were here?
Ah, that shit is voided. Oh, no, where is gonna get voided? For real. That shit is
Wait,
voided.
Martin, send me your voice.
It was not even. It was not abnormal at all. Then we're okay. My next fielding command is okay. I mean, yeah.
Is everyone going down now? Okay. So, who was reading Keep Garrick's FOB? Okay, wait. Did any of you know who was leading Garrick's FOB?
What did you say? What did you say?
Who was leading Garrick's?
What was hitting here?
Who was leading Garrick's? That's simple.
Oh, Martin. Martin died, and like everyone else died too.
they abuse. I'm not gonna lie. They abuse the law.
No, it's not. I feel like we should have been allowed more people. The 66 for like 2 FOBs, and a lot of people are at main camp.
Oh my god. I wanna puke.
I know that shit. I'm gonna show you the film. You're gonna see it. Actually, practically, I'm gonna send it. We went to the FOB and it was fun. That shit was scary. I looked at it and I was like, I didn't believe it first.
But we need gas actually. We need freaking gas up. The main FOB we have.
Yeah, that's a void. Cause Fury got voided like that. That shouldn't be fair.
Well, not me.
Yeah, Fury died exactly like that. He turned around and the crawler was there in a second.
Yeah, I remember.
And you were far away too. You weren't even close to him. You were against the wall.
This screenshot.
Akira, void him. Send it to Akira, bruh. Send it to Akira. If she knows. But it
Yeah,
can be
void him.
voided. If Fury got voided, then this should definitely be voided. That shit was fucking. I was early to kill. I got a lot of kills at them because like, I'm be honest, they were trying to get so many people. I'm still a private. I mean, I saw my last one on my right, but I saved like 4 people.
Ares survived. Got me.
Oh, and
Can I leave? Yeah, you can leave. You can leave. Make sure you put your arm. I was gonna be dead. Yeah, Rashad, you lucky as bitch. I legit saved Rashad. Rashad gets grabbed.
Yeah, but
He gets grabbed, and there's a crawler. What'd you say?
Oh.
Ralph, what'd you say?
Let me show you guys around spawn now.
Yeah, send it. Send it.
okay, let me speak quick.
That's streamer, because I don't feel like trouble.
Yeah.
Most of the people who died in the Alex of the Pikachu died. Really slowly.
Yeah, those are light. Those new titans are really easy to get ghost stabs. The new ones, the retarded ones. Can I leave? Or
Okay.
just to log? No, leave and put it in honor proof. I'll log it later.
Okay, guys, just wanna say good job, for real, good ass job. That was
Yeah,
fucking.
someone.
Look at my stream, look at my stream.
Oh my god, what the heck? Wait.
My stream. There we go. Come on.
Oh.
Alright guys, look at
need
the.
host a celebratory training. Bro, we all fucking lost like 600
Alright,
people.
no, alright. So, 20 minutes. I'll let everyone get on the stream. I just got your stream.
Yep.
Oh,
You want to see how I almost got spawn mode? So,
let's see.
honestly, Ravage, I think at this point they're trying to find a way to kill you.